Why you should invest in ECOMI Token right now. Hello guys, welcome back to the Crypto Diary. After this video, you'll have learned why you should invest in ECOMI Token now. If you're big on NFTs, you must have heard of ECOMI, VeVe, its app, or even invested in it. Some have described ECOMI as a digital asset for nerds or freaks, but those who have an eye for brilliant investments would call it the project destined for the moon. If you invest in OMI tokens right now, the rewards would be enormous soon, as I'll share with us. ECOMI and its NFT platform VeVe are forging quite a niche in the NFT space. You never know what may happen to that old Batman comic you once embellished your room with, but lost or threw out. What if that same comic book could be bought and saved online only to grow in value? ECOMI and VeVe are looking to address exactly that. Today's generation has found a new way to turn digital comics into a high-value digital NFTs that can be resold for 2 to 10 times or more of their initial value. I shall be discussing how this affects the OMI price. The VeVe app looks to be the hottest thing coming out of the ECOMI universe right now. But the question has always been, would it ever make the altcoin reach the moon? ECOMI is a Singapore-based tech startup that is geared towards improving the interactivity, accessibility and security of digital assets. In addition, ECOMI strives to improve the digital collectible space. This is made possible by making a series of various applications and protocols that facilitate non-fungible token, gaming, trading and streaming. ECOMI's ideas are quite fascinating. They want to provide a one-stop shop for NFT 21st century pop culture digital collectibles. The project offers an entertainment application called Storage Hardware Wallet and community-focused interactive protocols that include AR technology. You should also note that the native VeVe application offers a secondary NFT marketplace. Let's talk about the VeVe app. This is central to the operations of ECOMI's network. Users can use VeVe to obtain common or unique digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in the virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell or trade collectibles with other VeVe app users. VeVe's augmented reality helps users to take a picture with their favorite collectibles. With their AR feature, users can even scan their surroundings and click on their phone to drop their digital collectible on any flat surface. They can also move, rotate and scale their collectibles and text them to their friends and family, or just post them on their social media. You can get an idea of the value of your collectibles in VeVe's secondary market. You can also buy the ones you may have missed out on or sell the ones that you presently have. Cash is not exchanged on the marketplace for sales, but trade is done in gems. 1 gem is often equivalent to $1. The interesting part is that you can exchange gems for OMI, which fluctuates based on market value. This is a major price catalyst for OMI. VeVe Partnerships. The VeVe app already collaborates with more than 70 brands including Superman, Batman, Harley Quinn, Wonder Woman, Ultraman, NFL, Back to the Future, MLB, Ghostbusters and many more. Alfred R. Khan is ECOMI's global head of licensing. He is one of the biggest reasons for optimism on this network. Before joining VeVe, Khan was the founder, chairman and CEO of 4Kids Entertainment from 1991 to 2011. Alfred is known to be an industry leader and is responsible for over $25 billion in retail revenue on partnerships that included brands like Yu-Gi-Oh!, Pokemon, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Polly Pockets and Cabbage Patch Kids. He also helped with the branding and licensing of Mario Brothers, Nintendo, Donkey Kong, Zelda, James Bond and the World Wrestling Federation. ECOMI really has a marketing star on its hands. The OMI Token. Throughout the ECOMI ecosystem, the OMI token is what is used. Every transaction on the VeVe app is done by using the native OMI token. This includes trading digital collectibles and is also utilizing staking facilities to generate access to exclusive premium features. The token was intentionally designed to be a valuable medium of exchange. When a transaction with the token on the VeVe app is confirmed, the information or data cannot be changed and is publicly stored. This eliminates any disagreements of ownership or illegitimate items. VeVe users can also verify transactions using the GoChain Explorer. OMI Token Wallet. If you're a big fan of collectibles and would love to be a VeVe user, you should know about the OMI Token Wallet. In the process of setting up your account with VeVe, you will be provided with a native crypto wallet that is stored on the app. When using the application, the wallet is accessible by selecting the Profile section on the bottom right-hand side. There, you'll be presented with an account balance and other profile settings. You should also know that the OMI Token wallet has a transaction history feature, a breakdown of any OMI tokens staked, and the option to buy OMI tokens. As a VeVe user, you have the chance to buy more tokens either by fiat or cryptocurrencies. In addition, the inbuilt OMI Token wallet will provide an account balance for the network's associated cold storage digital hardware wallet too. The ECOMI Technology. Network congestion and high gas fees are known to be frequent problems that users face on the Ethereum network. That is why the OMI token and the collectible non-fungible token (NFT) contracts are operated on the GoChain network. But right now, as you watch this video, they are making a change of network and will move the token to Immutable X, which is better solution for their NFTs. Immutable X is a protocol that makes it easy for developers to create successful NFT projects. Despite the recent explosion in NFT trading volume and interest, there are still many barriers for developers and users preventing mainstream adoption of NFTs, particularly on Ethereum, where the vast majority of NFTs are traded. Immutable X allows any developer to create world-class NFT projects without having to compromise on the liquidity and network effects of Ethereum. With this in mind, we set out to solve the following problems. Poor user experience. Immutable X gives users the best trading experience with zero gas fees, instant trades, and high liquidity via a shared global order book. Low scalability without compromising security. The Immutable X protocol supports an extremely high transaction throughput, 9,000 plus TPS, without requiring users to compromise the custody of their assets. Slower developer experience. Immutable X's developer suite, SDKs and APIs, provides a permissionless gateway for developers to build a mainstream-ready NFT game, DApp, or marketplace in days, not months. All ECOMI digital collectibles are minted as NFTs, and each one comes with a uniform resource identifier that links the NFT to unique metadata, including the name of the brand, collectible, edition, and licensor. Let's talk about virtual showrooms. These are major components of the VeVe app. With physical collectibles, collectors usually present them with pride in display cases or collectible card wallets, folders, or sleeves. ECOMI is reimagining the experience through its VeVe app with virtual showrooms. Each user has a public or private showroom with the option to make more. Also, users can check out other users' showrooms through what is called first-person shooter game style and augmented reality. This certainly brings the virtual showroom to life, creating an experience as though the user is physically walking through a display. In addition, users impressed by experiences and showcases can like and comment to show their appreciation to the showroom host. Users can create a unique and imaginative experience with full freedom over the design, layout, and background images of the virtual showroom. Meanwhile, experiences in public showrooms can be shared within the VeVe app and on popular social media platforms. This can be achieved through the convenience of a smartphone or tablet. Some ECOMI drawbacks. ECOMI is ahead of the curve in its niche and has definitely tapped into a very profitable industry that has yet to enter the digital sphere in any big way. However, it still has some issues that will need fixing if it is to continue growing and increasing in value. Currently, OMI is only available on a very limited amount of mostly centralized exchanges. For a decentralized exchange option, it can only be traded on Uniswap in its wrapped form, WOMI. This makes it difficult to buy other than with Ether, ETH, and adds time to the transaction due to its complexity. Once OMI has been traded for gems, it is possible to trade them back. This means that any gems that are not spent are rendered useless unless a decision is made to invest in an NFT. However, an upgrade is due this year, though it has been postponed, which will allow the reversal of gems to OMI. Nevertheless, ECOMI is a fantastic investment. ECOMI price analysis. At the time of video production, OMI is priced at $0.005465 per token with a market cap of $922 million. As with most cryptocurrencies, March saw OMI on a bull run, with an increase taking it past $0.01 per token. This was a rise that was largely down to Tesla buying $1.5 billion of crypto, PayPal introducing crypto purchases in the US market, and a general increase in the perceived legitimacy of cryptocurrency. This, however, was followed by the 2020 crypto crash, largely due to China's U-turn on digital currencies and a subsequent near-mining blackout. Here, IMO dropped back down, reaching around $0.002 in May and just above $0.001 in June. Since then, however, it has been on a near-continuous rise, having increased threefold. With new licensing agreements on the horizon and upgrades coming any day now, including trading of gems to OMI, OMI looks to continue on this bullish path. Moreover, with the reopening of cinemas and popular culture events after the pandemic, more films will be released, which will lead to the creation of new and hot NFTs. This will mean more ECOMI customers and more media coverage, which will funnel more investors. All things considered then, although OMI is bound to fluctuate as any other cryptocurrency, it has a very bright future ahead. As I conclude, ECOMI has a great offering that with the right leadership could become explosive. By tapping into popular culture and gaming, it has accessed a huge fan base of loyal, young, tech-savvy individuals. This means that not only could it grow exponentially now, but also in the future. If it creates the right NFTs for its user base, there is no reason for it not to retain its current clients, as well as grow as younger users join the space. There is, of course, the possibility that another platform will come along and replicate ECOMI's VeVe, thereby taking some of its customs. However, thanks to ECOMI's time lead and its team of experts, not only in tech but also in pop culture itself, it has a good edge. Additionally, as NFTs grow in popularity, the established user base and technology will help drive corporations such as Marvel and Disney to ECOMI as these businesses run to cash in. ECOMI still has some issues to resolve, but its offering is innovative and very current, so as long as the team behind it continues to listen to users' wants, its value should continue to increase.